Hi everyone, in this video you will learn how you can make rounded corner of your video. So first we will take a color matte from here. We will take a black color matte and bring it to our timeline and adjust the size till our video, and we will go to effects control and make smaller and decrease the scale size of the video. Now we will go to effects and search for roughen edges, and we will apply this effect to our video. Now we will go to effects control, and here is the border. We will keep it 28, sharpen edges and tracker influence into 0. You can adjust the size of the border as per of your choice, like this. So this is how you can make rounded corner of video. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.